Jesus, I
be that pretty motherfucker. Philly what I'm reppin', I ain't in the poutin' and whining. I'd rather count my blessings, investing in anything that's gonna bring me bigger checks, and I bet I get respected by the ones that disrespect it, really. Better know what I talk about it and show it. I work hard because I'm focused. You should try taking notes in my city, sure they adore me. Shining hard like my jewelry, them people they wanna own me. I'm running, they coming for me. So my what? I'm sorry they can't afford me. They gon' have to kill me, baby. Go ahead and boot me. G'd up and throw them bees up. I run on track like a fucking Nike sneaker. Hold up. I said we got nothing but time won't give us time. So I'm just spending time grinding for these written rhymes. I can't stop though, they told me Link, he's spitting rhymes. That's what they talking, I'm over here, I'm getting mines. I can't slow down, I can't fall back. I'm still that same old lean that they she all at. I'm still that youngin' with the weight, what you call that? Swag, but they stole it and they never asked to borrow that. Swagger jackets, my gear is great, look at the jacket. I get it jumping like baby kids on dirty mattress. I couldn't do it, is what I thought, but I made it happen. Now what's happening, well looky here, I'm good at rapping. So good at spitting, I swear I just want the word to listen. High off the grind, I swear it seemed that the word is lifting. And switching gears and donut drifting. My ambition will recreate the solar system. Yeah. Them bars still around though. We working, man. Shout out to Mac, all flamers. Get with it or get lost, man. You know, we rolling. Real rappers keep a 32 tuck, 16s tuck. Oh. Go time, ain't no time better than showtime. With my fans screaming and the lights beaming and my conscience saying it's your time. I put my heart in this shit, man, so I can't let it die here. Cause this shit my life, man. If it goes, then I die here. In the studio with a camera that's bigger than the movie though. I'm talking real big. All I'm missing is a Coogee though. Told the devil let's battle it out. Yu-Gi-Oh! Cause ain't no goddamn creature with red eyes gonna tell me where to move or go. Whoa, I run this shit and I'm still hotter than the summer get. I need all of it, not some of it. They take my flow and run with it. I mean took my flows and ran with it. I'm still a shit and I still make hits. I still make hits, cause I came from the fucking basement. If you got a dream, then fucking chase it. Too many people walked, I don't know where they went. But I know where I'm going. I'm going to a place that's foreign where all I need is straight beats and Jordans and all my clothes gotta get imported. Cause I'm that important. Storchin'. Ha, they can't see the kid. Dead chest to get my attention. Oh yeah, they press, they ask how I life. I'm like, yeah, I'm blessed. Team Bean on my shirt, Jump Man on my sneakers. I need my music loud. That's word to the speakers. Don't carry paper swiping this Visa. Haters' hearts getting weaker. I don't mean to hurt them. I'm just doing what I need to. Catch me out in Florida, putting in the order. Shout out to my dad. I know he proud of his daughter. Gotta keep going, gotta keep grinding. Never saying time out, putting time in. Cause really only time will tell. Always focus on perfect timing. Cause when the time is perfect, you gonna shine, it's worth it. And as long as you focus, can't nobody say you ain't working. Oh, wait a minute. Watch out for them haters lurking. Fake friends, they won't separate on purpose. And when you in the light, they gonna want to reunite. And if you don't agree, they'll plan to take your life. Huh? My story is different, word to comparisons. I see me making it, future is in the camera lens. I dreamed of doing epic shows out in Maryland. My only opponent is the person that's in the mirror in. I'm sick of lies, don't tell me lies, just tell the truth. My only medication is the music, sickest in the booth. Shooting for the stars, I'm shooting far, they tell me shoot. But I never shot a weapon, so to me it's something new. Ooh, two-stepping in my loafers, my only dream is to live the dream that I'm supposed to. The dopest music from me, dumping out the rovers, and my only response will be I told ya. And haters seem to know me, but they're the ones I heard of bet. If you mention me to them, they gon' say I know her. Hold up, cause something ain't adding up. I had enough. These Looney Tune rappers fake as Daffy Duck. Fuck is up. It's 12 a.m. on the school night and I'm writing music. Showed it to my writing teacher. She told me that I could do it. She said, Lena, you can make it, kid. There's nothing to it. Looked at me and told me she's a fan, man. I fucking knew it. Ain't that something? Ain't that something? At least now I know I ain't doing this stuff for nothing. My conscience told me patience is the key and that is coming. And soon I'ma never want for nothing, but it's something that I wanted to get up on my chest. I been knew it was coming though. I felt it in my chest. It just feel more real when they tell me I'm the best. And them dippers make me smile when they tell me I'm a mess. Yes, everything on the beam, man. That's still on that pip. Go download that. Mac, holla at me, man. All flaming. You already know.